Respiratory dynamics. Ventilation equals breathing rate times tidal volume, as you can see on the screen. In terms of normative values of these at rest, a person would expect to have a breathing rate of between 12 to 15 breaths per minute when at rest. In addition to this, resting tidal volume would be around 500 milliliters. The combination of these two put into this equation previously stated for ventilation would mean that an average value for ventilation at rest would be between 6 to 7.5 liters. However, these values will then change during moderate exercise. For example, breathing rate will double on average to now be 30 breaths per minute. As well as this, tidal volume will also increase to 1,500 milliliters. This is due to the fact that more oxygen and oxygenated blood is demanded by the muscles, which therefore means both these values will increase. This overall means during moderate exercise, ventilation would be 45 plus liters. During maximal exercise, we can see a dramatic increase in these values in the table above, as this is where the body requires a lot more oxygen and a lot more blood pumped around the body in large volumes and quickly. The table shows us the values during maximal exercise would look like this. Breathing rate would be between 40 to 60 breaths. Tidal volume would be between 3,000 to 4,000 milliliters, which means that ventilation in total would be between 180 to 200 liters.